Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk through the steps on how to cancel your XBlue subscription if you don't want to get auto-charged through your next billing cycle. So what you're going to do is from the desktop of X.com, when you're logged into your account that you'd like to cancel, find the More option and click on that. And then go down and find where it says Settings and Support, click on that. And then click on where it says Settings and Privacy. Then from here, we want to go to the Premium Subscription tab, which is currently called Blue. We're going to click on that. And for me, it says my subscription is currently active, so we can click here where it says Manage Subscription, and then Manage Your Current Subscription. And then to cancel your plan so that you don't get auto-charged next time your billing comes up, you can click this option where it says Cancel Plan. And then it says your plan will be canceled, but it is still available until the end of your current billing period. And if you change your mind, you can always renew your subscription. So to complete this, we can click where it says Cancel Plan. And then that brings us back to this page where it says Current Plan, and it's now labeled as canceled. And if you changed your mind at some point, you can always come back to this page and renew your plan. So I hope this video is helpful, walking you through the steps on how to cancel your XBlue subscription. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube, and I'll see you back here next time.